Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be creating 2 DIYs for the fall. Come on with me, guys. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Just Our Imagination, and this is being hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and Kathy Joe DIYs. They do have a guest and it's craft classy. Now this vase I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I'm making some accent florals that I can put around my house just to decorate. And we're starting out with this one, and the color is from Apple Barrel. It is a beige color, and so that's what I'm doing here. Now, so in total, I did have to give this 3 layers, and I would go back and seal this in. I didn't do that for this particular project today, but I am going to go back and seal it later on. So we got to let that fully dry, and like I said, 3 coats it took me to get it to where I like it. Now this jar here that I'm using as a vase is a trash to treasure, and of course I'm going to be using the chestnut color of apple barrel, and I did have to give this 3 coats, guys. And now, so we all know how big these bows are this season. And I was very surprised the Dollar Tree was carrying these bow stickers. So we're going to go ahead and place one on each one of the vase and then continue embellishing. So the vase, I didn't need to really do anything to it. I kind of like it exactly the way it is, but I did want to cover the other jar on the top where the rim is. And so we're just going to use this lace ribbon that you get at the Dollar Tree, and then that's going to complete these vases. And then I'm going to run to get some florals so that I can show you how I'm decorating with these. Now I'm loving that chestnut color because we are going to go ahead and do the entire season with this chestnut. And the beige color is beautiful. So both of these jars look amazing with those bows. Let me get my florals. So remember that what I'm doing here is creating accent decor. And so with these vases, it's just a great thing to do is to go ahead and add some greenery. You can place it anywhere in your home and it'll just ramp it up some, guys. All right, so here we are at the reveal. Don't these look absolutely beautiful? I hope you agree, guys. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.